In this video, we will be discussing how to create a VoiceThread homepage link, as well as why you would want to do so. The VoiceThread homepage is an important part of the general workflow when creating and using VoiceThreads in a course. The VoiceThreads that you create are stored on the VoiceThread server and are not part of D2L or any Normandale or MinState storage space, like OneDrive or Kaltura Media Space. Any VoiceThread activities that you create will first be finished and stored on your home page. This is hinting a little at what is covered in the VoiceThreads General Workflow video. When it comes time to create a specific assignment or activity in a module, you will choose a template of the assignment that you already set up in the home page. A copy will then be made, where you can edit it where necessary. Then a link to that specific edited thread or assignment will be created in D2L that students will choose to access the assignment. On the VoiceThread side, a course folder will also be created where that specific version will be stored. This gives you the ability to look at the specific edits you made through accessing that folder in VoiceThread. We go more in depth with the folder setup in other videos, taking a specific look in the VoiceThread interface video. Let's now go ahead and create the homepage link. You will first want to access the course that you will be using VoiceThread in. Next, you will go to the content area and create a module labeled VoiceThread Home. This will be your access to uploading and creating VoiceThreads that you will potentially use for assignments. Note that you will want to hide this module for your students, since they do not need any access to complete any assignments you post. Now, if you are working with the older view of D2L, you will do the following. With the module open, you will access the drop-down menu under the Existing Activities menu. Then scroll down to the bottom and choose VoiceThread. Next, you will see a pop-up window open where you choose an activity type. Now, I'm going to pause and quickly flip for faculty that are using the new view. If you are in the new view of D2L, since we are in transition while making this tutorial, you will choose Add Existing. In this case, another window will open instead of a drop-down menu. Find the VoiceThread icon link and choose the link. It should be in the bottom row. Now, in this case, we have the same pop-up window as before that opens up. The next steps will now be the same for both views. For this activity, or what we're trying to accomplish, you want to find the activity VT Homepage. This option is at the bottom of the list. You may have to scroll down to the bottom if the box is too small. As a side note, you can click-drag the enlarge icon found in the bottom right corner of the box. Also, we will see the same box when we start to work with creating assignments. Once you have selected VT Homepage, click Continue. Next, you will be presented with a fillable text box with the label Activity Name. Here, you will enter VoiceThread Home Page. This will be the name of the link in D2L that you will be choosing. Then, when ready, choose Publish. The box will close, and you will be brought back into D2L. If you go back to the module where you created the link, you will now see the link displayed, and you are ready to get started. That ends our look at how to create a homepage link, as well as getting started using VoiceThread. If you wish to continue watching the VoiceThread tutorial videos, I suggest next watching the suggested workflow for using VoiceThread.